Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese tteokbokki step by step. Soak rice cakes for 20 minutes, then combine gochujang, soy sauce, sugar, and stock to build a deep sauce. Prep onions, garlic, scallions, and fish cake while the sauce heats. Add rice cakes, simmer until tender, then top with shredded mozzarella and scallions until melted. Serve hot with sesame seeds and enjoy with a cold drink and friends. Gather ingredients on the counter to keep cooking smooth and relaxed. Measure rice cakes and prepare 2 cups of stock before you start heating the pan. Mix gochujang, soy sauce, and sugar in a small bowl to dissolve evenly. Slice fish cake, onion, and mince garlic so they cook quickly. Have shredded mozzarella ready to sprinkle over the simmering tteokbokki for that irresistible cheesy finish. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tasty recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, hands-free timers, and helpful recipes into your kitchen, making multitasking simpler and more fun. It fits small spaces and can set a perfect cooking playlist while you stir. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by warming oil and gently sautéing garlic and onion until fragrant and softened. Add your pre-mixed sauce and bring it to a steady simmer so flavors meld. Add rice cakes and fish cake, stirring often to prevent sticking and to coat evenly. Simmer until rice cakes are tender but chewy, then sprinkle shredded mozzarella, cover until melted, and finish with sliced scallions and toasted sesame for texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.